Okay, we're Watches and Wonders Zenith, and brought here by Steven. We've met already at Peacock at the Mansion. Why are we here?
We're here to talk about Zenith today, Kevin.
Okay.
One of the most interesting brands with an incredible history.
This is a Swiss brand from the 1800s.
Swiss brand from the 1800s, based in Lalac. Incredible story about the brand.
Now, my understanding is they cover every price point with some extreme unique pieces as well. So why don't we get into it?
Hi Kevin, how are you?
You're the CEO.
I'm the CEO of Zenith, yeah.
Fantastic. All right, tell us about the introductory piece. This is this one, right?
It's a watch that was launched 50 or 60 years ago.
Classic.
It's
a
a
steel
very
piece.
classic. It's a steel piece. It's a classic piece that we renewed, that we took inspired from the past, and then we launched this year.
Very popular, I take it.
We had this in the Mansion in a previous version.
Absolutely.
It fits nicely on the wrist.
It's beautifully polished steel. And the movement, the caliber is all Zenith.
Yes, absolutely. You know, Zenith is old, but is almost as old as CD Peacock. CD Peacock is
We were 1837.
1837. Okay, so you're a bit older than us.
1865.
And we've been partnering with CD Peacock. You know, CD Peacock had the first license in Chicago.
That's fantastic. Here's a classic chronograph. It's beautiful.
Exactly.
What's the story?
It's a Chronomaster Sport.
Yeah.
And it's the movement is an Primero that was created in 1969. And we were the first chronograph fully integrated that was created. So that's why Zenith is famous about.
It's very intriguing to see these subdials in different tones. It's the first time I've seen anything like that. Price point on this?
The price point's around $12,000 US.
Very reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And you have to start the chronograph to see what happens when you start the chronograph, because there's something special on this one. We're indicating the tenths of a second thanks to the movement. The heartbeat is going faster. That is 6,000 VPH. So we're able to display the tenths of a second precisely and mechanically.
a tenth of a second.
Yeah. And those subdials color are from 1969. We were being the first to introduce colors in counters. So that's why we have this iconic aesthetic.
Amazing.
So at the Mansion, I had shown you last week, we have an activation where we have this watch, this movement, and you can hear it. So you can hear the watch, which is sent with a laser, and it sounds as if the watch is right at your ear. It's got a very fast beat.
5 hertz.
Yeah,
Exactly.
which it is very distinctively different from all the other.
Then on the bezel, directly you can read the tenths of a second. So the scale on the bezel is unless nothing else on the market.
That's really beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful, and it's one of the best sellers that you have in our Chronomaster Sport.
Now let's get into this skeleton here. This is kind of interesting. I'm going to make the assumption it's ceramic, right?
It is ceramic. This is a very peculiar piece. It's very light. If you can see, it's very light. It's a skeleton in the Defy skyline collection. The particularity of that watch, it's the movement that is visible from the dial, of course.
So that is really something.
And it's also an El Primero.
And it's also an El Primero, and you see the 10 seconds here at 6 o'clock turns as well in 10 seconds because it's a 36,000 LTLs.
Yeah, that is really.
That's the heartbeat of the movement that you'd already seen on the sub.
It's hard to make a ceramic band like.
It is, and the particularity of that band, if I may, it's very easy to change because the watch comes with different straps, rubber straps. If you're having a black suit, you can put that one. If you're going to the beach, you can have a rubber, blue, red, green. And it's as simple as that, you see. This is the particularity of the Defy Skyline collection. All the Defy Skyline collection have an interchangeable strap.
That's a beautiful piece.
Yes, I love it. I love the dial. I love the architecture.
I mean, the whole thing about getting unique dials, there's nothing like that in the show. Beautiful. Very light. Fantastic job on this band.
Yeah, and it's
Price point again?
18,500.
Very reasonable for skeleton.
Yeah.
That's very good. Okay, let's get into one of these divers, I think. This looks interesting.
So this is the novelty that we are launching this year at Watches and Wonders 2026. This is the Chronomaster Sport, but skeleton. The particularity of that watch, of course it's a skeleton dial, but it's a sapphire dial that we have put in order to be able to see inside the watch. And we have a fumée around it. You see, there's a fumée to be able not to be too flashy, too visible, and to be able to increase the readability of the time.
Yeah, it's always a challenge on a skeleton to be able to read the time, but I can see it here quite well.
Exactly.
No
That's
problem.
what Romain, our chief product officer, has.
Is this a new?
This is brand new. We just launched this yesterday.
one you have
Actually,
on wrist and
the
this
one,
one.
the one.
Just
I
two
have on
options.
my- There are two options. It comes with the black, with the
Black bezel.
black bezel and the black center.
Green is very hot this year, so I anticipate this will do well.
I think so too.
Yeah.
So far, we've got good response, and it's a beautiful watch.
Price point?
16,700 US.
Okay, these are very, very
Sure, we have to talk about the clasp.
And absolutely, and the novelty on that watch as well is not only the skeleton, but the clasp. The clasp is absolutely amazing. First of all, it's very easy to open. So what we hold for the ladies, it doesn't affect the nail. You know what I mean? Then it opens automatically. So we lift it like this, boom, it opens automatically.
Yeah.
This is one thing, but the particularity is that you can have the micro adjustments. So just lift it here, and you can gain 1 centimeter of size on the wrist. This is extremely practical when you go to the mountain or
Yeah,
to the beach.
or
So
summertime and your wrist is-
Summertime, exactly. Or you can put it over a diving gear or whatever. And this is very peculiar. We've worked very hard on this. This is
Well, I would say, just looking at the dials here that you've introduced, there's some very interesting ideas. No question.
this is
I was looking for something unique, but in addition to the caliber with this 10 seconds, step movement, very interesting. But that's a really interesting skeleton.
Yeah, the Kume dial is
the
fantastic.
fumé, and the fumé makes it very readable.
Okay, let's get into the crazy stuff now. Let's.
Serious collectors don't settle for average insurance. WonderCare was built for you. It's a Chubb-backed, seamless digital platform. And for the biggest collections, we do Zoom onboarding or come to your home. Discretion guaranteed. Visit wondercare.com/VIP now.
This is very striking, rainbowish.
That one was introduced last year. It's a white gold rainbow on the Chronomaster Sports version, so 10th of the second chronograph, full white gold with the buckle and with 5 carats of rainbow sapphires.
Yeah, that is very attractive. It works well with the black dial. Price point?
116,600.
Okay. Well, that's not bad for
That's not bad
rainbow.
at all.
Yeah.
White gold.
Yeah.
White gold. It's a lot of watch. You know.
No, it's a lot of watch.
It's a lot of watch. It's
You have this in
beautiful.
the mansion?
Not yet, but I'd like to.
So, do you have a history in setting stones? Who does this for you?
We have history because we have watches with the setting stones. It's not part of the major collection, of course, but it's definitely we have a line whereby we set stones on the dial as well and on the.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful.
And we don't produce many of these. We have.
What would be the production on that?
I mean, we produce every year a certain quantity, but I would say around 20 to 30 pieces maximum. And the demand is, we have a lot of demand, but we want to make sure that it's 100%.
I like that because you're supporting the aftermarket for this piece when you do
Yep.
that. That is a great rainbow.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. But it gets crazier.
Yeah, it gets crazier. It
And you've really brought some interesting stuff.
Yeah. So we have here what we again another launch for the Watches and Wonders
Yeah.
2026 is the Georges Charles-Jacot. This watch was initially created last year for the 160 years celebration tribute to our founder, and we did 160 pieces with the blue lapis lazuli dial. And we decided this year to continue on the collection because the collection is doing extremely well, and we're going to produce 161 pieces
Of this.
of this in jaspe sanguine, which what we call as
Bloodstone.
bloodstone in English.
Yeah.
And it's very peculiar because we're going to produce only 161. It has green.
Is the sub-valve polished differently?
It's mother of pearl.
pearl.
Actually.
Oh, I see.
Mother of
It's look at the light. on
Wow.
this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Reflection
I mean-
where you get it.
Okay, that is really.
It comes with the gold bracelet and the leather strap as well. And then the particularity is the 135 movement.
The caliber
inside.
inside.
Inside the 135. The caliber 135 is the caliber that won the most prizes on that caliber as
Chronometry.
of chronometry. 230 prizes of chronometry on this caliber.
So the accuracy
anyone
is-
in the watch industry knows that caliber because even at schools they used to use that caliber,
135.
the caliber 135 to train. The watchmakers used to train on that caliber. So it's a very and we produce a very small quantity of these calibers. So the caliber is like 50, 60, 70 years old, and we redo it with a longer power reserve and more
Yeah, it's a movement that was created in 1949 that we produce.
What is the
through
price of
62.
this?
The price of this,
This one is 102,000
100
on bracelet
on the bracelet.
and 52 on strap.
So there's a lot of gold here.
yes, there's a lot of
170 grams.
Yeah.
but it comes as well with a leather band at 52,000.
But what's crazy with this caliber, you have a huge balance wheel, 13 millimeters. So
Yes.
it's really pretty unusual on nowadays in the watchmaking industry because it's really a movement that was made more than 60 years ago. So the architecture,
Nice.
the layout is very special.
I would say this is one of the most beautiful dials I've seen in a while.
Yep.
I mean,
It's a great comment.
yeah, you know, it's completely unique in the respect of how you've.
You know,
It's almost got a guilloche going on here.
It's a
Yes.
brick guilloche.
it's a brick.
It's reminding you the brick of the building of
Yeah.
the manufacturer.
You guys have brought some great stuff to the market.
Yeah. No,
I can see this being immensely popular because it's a collector doesn't have anything like that.
No. It's and
All right, now
with the caliber 135.
let's not mess around.
This is
This thing caught my eye when I walked in this room. This is a crazy piece.
it is a crazy piece.
This is so intriguing.
It is.
So let's talk about what you've done here. What the hell is this?
So this is what we call
The zero G.
a zero G. The particularity is all the movement, everything is in that little thing at 6 o'clock here. You have 138 parts, correct, Romain? 38, 36?
Yeah, more than 150.
Extraordinary watchmaker.
Yeah.
It's basically a
So
miniaturization of
you
a marine
build that
chronometer.
outside of the piece, right?
Yeah.
So regardless of the position,
Regardless of the position, which makes the watch very precise.
And how is it transferring its power?
That's where the secret is.
Yeah.
The power is transferred at 6 o'clock here. You have a little axe
Yeah.
that goes all the way up to here in the middle to to activate the second and the hours.
How many of these do you make?
So this is a clear crystal and sapphire, and this we will have 10 made. And we have the same one in blue sapphire as well. And the beauty of this as well, we can have, customize the pieces. Takes a bit more time, of course, but you can made to order whereby we can change the color of the dials, change the blue there, we can change a couple of things.
It's almost like a museum piece.
It is a museum,
So
absolutely.
unique.
And there's only one watchmaker who can do that watch. So that's why, and it takes months to do. So we have one every 2-3 months coming out. So that's why we will do only 10 in sapphire, clear sapphire, and then 10 in blue.
At first, I thought it was a flying tourbillon, but it's not.
No.
No, a lot of people are thinking that it's a tourbillon or a gyro tourbillon or
Yeah.
a multi-axis tourbillon, but it's not. It's what we call a gyroscopic escapement. So it remains horizontal, whatever you're doing with your wrist.
on the
It's
boats
different.
when they had that marine chronometer,
Yeah.
Exactly.
A marine chronometer.
it was always moving.
With the wave.
Yeah, and this
It's fascinating.
Yeah.
To just price point again.
The price point of this one is 207,500.
This is your
This is
the highest price.
this is-
So we covered from the entry level
yes,
up to this one. Yep.
but I mean, it's remarkable watchmaking.
yeah, it is.
Who
Is
designed this piece?
So the design is made internally by the team of Romain and his team, and everything is on in-house.
You guys are crazy chickens.
Somehow I told him, but
No, it's hard to find something completely different
this
in
is
the watch world, and I think you've achieved that here.
yeah,
What a fantastic journey through Zenith.
yeah. No, it's
What a surprise.
yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
right, we're
I'm very impressed. I mean, it's a brand that's going to get a lot more recognition over time, I think.
yeah.
So what we've learned here today is that this is one of the oldest watch companies in Switzerland. However, it's also one of the most innovative because the designs here are, I mean, you have to see them, you have to touch them. They're insane. They're really, really off the charts. It's really art and science coming together in a beautiful way with this crowning glory, which you've never seen before. And the reason is I've never seen it before, and I've seen everything. So this is a big surprise for me. I was not expecting it, but you guys have brought something to the market that's crazy. Only 20 pieces in the world, 10 and 10.
10 10.
So if you haven't got into this brand, start here. Nothing wrong with this. And then work hard and get this. That's great.
That's the journey.
Yeah, that's it.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's good. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Bill.
Thanks for the introduction. Thanks very much.
You buy watches because they appreciate. WonderCare gives you all risk worldwide coverage and up to 150% payout on total loss. No deductibles, no nonsense. And if you make a claim, it doesn't affect your home policy. Head to wondercare.com and get quoted today.